Experience the most awe-inspiring and remarkable manifestations, appearing with immense size, undeniable boldness, and astonishing speed. It is crystal clear that you are the master of your own manifestations. Let me elaborate. This is the real deal, the tangible proof that seeing is believing. Picture the kind of instantaneous physical results that leave even the most skeptical individuals overwhelmingly envious, practically begging you to share your secret. And let me make it perfectly clear. The cinnamon trick I'm referring to has absolutely nothing to do with never-ending affirmations, time-consuming visualizations, exhausting meditations, or any of that mundane and uninspiring stuff. In the past, I experimented with all of those methods, but none of them even came close to producing the OMG moments that the cinnamon trick can manifest. And the best part? It often takes mere minutes to witness these extraordinary outcomes. It's akin to a skipping rock on water, each skip generating a ripple effect of attraction energy. With this simple technique, implemented just once, you will unleash a cascade of manifestation that leaves no doubt about your ability to attract what materializes before